Hey everyone, and welcome back to Skills Academy. In this video, I'll guide you through the process of adding the Google tag to your website. First, log into your Google Ads account and navigate to the Google tag section. If you haven't created a Google tag yet, you'll find instructions on how to do so. Once you've created your tag, click on Installation Instructions. You have two options: installing it manually or using a website builder or content management system, CMS, like Wix, WordPress, Shopify, and Squarespace, etc. If you choose the latter, simply select your platform, and the process will be mostly automatic. If you opt to install it manually, you'll need to copy the provided code. Next, access your website files, typically your index.html or index.php file. Insert the copied code within the head section of your main file. And remember, it's crucial to place the code within the head tags for it to work properly. Once inserted, you can test your website to ensure everything is functioning correctly. With that, you've successfully integrated the Google tag into your website. If you found this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next video.